Good morning. I'm getting ready for work. I just sprayed myself with the new mineralized charcoal charged water. That's what I like to prep my skin with, as well as my Natural Radiance base from MAC. You guys know I got my eyebrows microbladed, so I just need to fill in some spots that I'm going to get touched up soon, and then I'm going to conceal just to cover this up because I also need to get my eyebrows waxed or tweezed or something, but ain't nobody got time for that. So just going to fill out those random spots real quick. I feel like I'm moving so slow, y'all. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal. I like using the MAC concealer, the Studio Finish concealer. It comes in a little pot like this. It's amazing. And I'm just covering up that hair that ain't been waxed real quick. When we were dating, we used to get I'm gonna bake. Pop that right under my eye. I'm gonna extend a little bit. I'm not gonna be using like dramatic colors, but I do want it to be like under my eyes, so I'm gonna be baking. Then I'm gonna cut my contour. Nice and sharp. Look crazy. Look crazy. It's okay though. Okay, I put concealer on my eyes, and now I'm gonna do my eyes really quick, and I'm gonna be just using my contour palette first. And I'm gonna be taking the darker brown on it and hitting my crease with that. Y'all know I love to do that shit. But my dramatics is gonna be my nice red lip. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my little sparkles, and with my finger, I'm gonna dab that onto my lid. And I feel like I've been doing this look a lot, but I'm gonna add a little twist to it in just a sec. But oh my god, how cute is that, guys? I believe there's still some in stock for Christmas. I'm there until 4:30 today. Come see me. Look at this. Like, I'm barely putting any on my finger, y'all. I'm so serious. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. So pretty. I do not know where my favorite eyeliners are right now, which is kind of upsetting me. I ain't got time to look. So this is gonna be the Buxom I'll Be Waiting. It's like a grayish, and I'm gonna pop that on. As you can see, it's a little runny, and I'm gonna smudge it out, but I'll do that after I wipe off the powder, so don't let that bother you while I do the rest of my makeup until then. Okay, I couldn't find my favorite MAC eyeliner, my liquid brush black, so I'm just gonna be using this NYX one. Matte liner. And I want to leave the wing kind of clear like that because I'm going to fill it up with glitter. And I'll just clean up that little tail right there. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Crystal liner in the silver. And I'm gonna pop that like right in that clear spot. Cute. Okay, cute. And wherever you kind of went over just a little bit, just go back with your black eyeliner, which is what I'm about to do. I just popped the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit Cosmetics on, and then I'm going to do a little snowman real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. Alright, using the the NYX liquid liner in white, I'm just going to take that and draw my little snowman. So I'm doing one head, the middle one, and then the big one. Okay, so 3 little balls. You can't really see them, but I'm gonna fucking try. Using this little pen, I'm gonna do the buttons. There's the buttons. Cut that off. That's gonna be his scarf. I'm gonna do the little dots for his eyes. So there he is so far. It's his little scarf. Alright, using a very thin brush, you're gonna go ahead and mix in some orange shadow. And I put some like spray. Ooh. And I'm just gonna drag it out. And that's only his nose, except that's kind of huge. I'm gonna pat it with my finger. But there's his nose. And I'm gonna try to darken it up just a bit. Okay, there's my snowman. I'm gonna draw his little hat. Just kind of gave a shape to his nose. It's not focusing though. I don't know if you guys can see him, but I gave him some shape. Okay, there's my little snowman, y'all. Now I'm gonna pop on my lashes and finish this look. Okay, y'all, I didn't record it, but I added like a snowflake, which my snowflake could have been cuter, but whatever. Some little kind of like snowflake stars, but cute. Alright, pop them bitches on. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead now and wipe the Access powder that I've just been letting bake on my faces. If I can find my brush. We sure can. You know, I wasn't sure about the Joe when I was younger. Well, if you provided low-cost auto insurance for more than 50 years. Hey, I'm not that old. Wiping it, buffing it in, patting it in, all of the above. And now, I'm gonna add some blush and highlight. Alright, now I'm just gonna do my lips. Lining them up with this NARS. Yes, 98.6, you're gonna be fine. And then I'm gonna throw on my Russian red that I did not grab. So we're going to be using the Blazing Yule, which is the holiday red.
Still had to have a cigarette. Had to. But then we were like, what are we doing?
The Nicoderm CQ patch helps prevent your urge to smoke all day. Nicoderm CQ. You know why, we know how.
Alright guys, I just set myself with the Prep and Prime spray. I'm going to do it one more time. This is just going to help keep it locked, make sure that powder goes and blends into my skin so it doesn't look all powdery. But this is my look, y'all. I'll take some pictures once I get to work, but I got to go, so I'm going to go ahead and take these curlers out and be on my way. But just a really cute, quick holiday look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching.